Hello students, now we will have introduction to the 2D problem. 2D problem is a extension of a one-dimensional problem, means the concept which we have learned in 1D problem will be applied in 2D problems as well. The displacement, the traction component and the distributed body force values are the functions of position indicated by the x and y. The displacement vector u is given as u comma v transpose, where u and v are the x and y components of u, that is displacement. Similarly, we will have stresses and strains are given by sigma is equal to ex, sigma x, sigma y, sigma z transpose, and epsilon is equal to epsilon x, epsilon y, gamma xy. Now here this figure represents the two-dimensional problem subjected to the traction force fixed at this end, fixed over here, and having a body force also acting on it. This is the point I, where we have the point loads px and py in x direction and y direction, having a cross-sectional area E. In this case, the body force vector F is given as F is equal to vector Fx Fy, or Fx comma Fy transpose, where Fx and Fy are the body force components in x and y direction. Similarly, traction force is given as T is equal to vector Tx Ty, that is T comma x comma Ty transpose, where Tx and Ty are the traction force components in x and y direction, and elemental volume is given by dV is equal to T into dA, where T is the thickness along the z direction. Now here strain displacement relations are given as epsilon will be given by this vector component, and the stress and strains are related by the plane stress and plane strain condition, which are given as plane stress will be given by this equation which we have already studied. Similarly, plane strain condition will be given by this equation. So these equations can be used to calculate the stresses and strain in the 2D problem.